So this week's reflection is on Google assignments. We were supposed to complete units 3 and 4 under the Google fundamental trainings. I created a Google slide and I shared it on my Google Drive with a friend. I had never used the Google slide, as I always just use what came on my computer. So it was different and had a few more options than what I normally have. The layout of it took me a little bit to figure out, but I finally did figure it out. I played with it for a little bit. It was actually kind of fun. I do think that with the certificates, you could, I think they would help you in the future. Definitely would consider doing them. I first had a little trouble getting into them to be able to do them, but I did finally get them done. I do think that maybe it would make you a little more marketable in the future, only because technology is such like a huge thing, and it can help you in the future. Um, I really, you know, I just think Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are easier, but they're also I'm familiar with them. So, and I'm an Apple user. So when it comes to Android or Google and that kind of stuff, I just don't like them as well. I've tried them, I just don't like them. So I think for me, I personally would rather use Excel and PowerPoint and Microsoft Word only because I have actually, used them so often. That's not to say that there aren't better features and other stuff that I could definitely learn if I played with Google a little bit more. It is something I'm going to explore because I think that I could learn a lot, and you never know, there might be a future employer who definitely prefers you to use that, and so it's better to just learn it and know it than to wait until later and then have to learn it later. So since you're already teaching us and we can explore it, why not?